Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a boiled egg masala dry recipe. Goes well as a side or as a starter. To begin with, boil 4 eggs and cut them into half. Sprinkle a little salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once hot, add the eggs and fry them on both the sides till they turn golden brown. Once fried well, remove and keep them aside. Into the same pan, add a little oil. Once hot, add finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic and 3/4 teaspoon of crushed green chili. Fry well till the garlic turns its color to brown. Once the garlic has turned brown, add 1 finely chopped onion. Fry the onion till it turns aromatic and brown. You can see the onion has turned brown. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir fry the ginger garlic paste till its raw smell fades away. Adding a little water to bring all the flavors together and to avoid the spices from getting burnt. In the spices, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and a pinch of cumin seeds. Mix well and fry till the spices are cooked well. Now that the spices are cooked well, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes, a little salt to cook them faster. I'm also adding few curry leaves for extra flavor. Add a little water to cook the tomatoes. Cover the pan and cook on low heat for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the tomatoes have turned soft. Add 1/4 teaspoon of thick tamarind pulp, a little water to dilute it. Now give this a good mix. Once mixed well, move the mixture to the corners and place the fried eggs. Cover the eggs with the onion tomato mixture. Add a little water, finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and cook them covered for 2 minutes on medium heat. After 2 minutes, give a gentle mix. Boiled egg masala dry is ready to serve. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. Do not forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy homemade recipes. Thank you so much for visiting. Take care. Bye-bye.